Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video, the basic difference between bipolar junction transistor and field effect transistor is explained. BJT stands for bipolar junction transistor, so it is a bipolar transistor. FET stands for the field effect transistor, so it is a uni-junction transistor. The terminals of a BJT are called the emitter, base, and collector. The terminals of an FET are called source, drain, and gate. BJT's operation depends on both majority charge carriers and minority charge carriers. FET's operation depends on majority charge carriers, which may be holes or electrons. BJT is a current-controlled current device. FET is a voltage-controlled current device. BJT generates noise in the system. FET has less noise in system. The biasing of BJT is very simple. The biasing of FET is difficult. BJT is cheaper than FET. FET is more expensive than BJT. The power consumption of BJT is high. FETs consume low power. Switching time of BJT is medium. Switching time of FET is fast. BJT size is higher as compared with FET. FET is smaller in size than BJTs. BJTs have less thermal stability. FETs have better thermal stability. Different types of BJTs are as: different types of FETs are as. If you like the video, subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.